Vamos a hacer the best lemon drop martini. Okay, guys? Rock and roll. I got my bottles ready, my lemons, my cutting board, my sugar, whatever we needed, we got ready here. Para todos, mi gente en español, aquí ya tenemos todas nuestras cositas listas y vamos a echarle ganas, okay? To start making this delicious, refreshing martini, lemon drop martini. Okay, we're gonna start out with the ice, and then we're gonna use Grey Goose. Okay, I'm using this flavor because it takes more lemonade, it's more sabor como limón. It gives you a better taste of the martini. If you use the regular Grey Goose, you have to add up a little bit more fresh lemon juice, okay guys? Bueno, vamos a empezar. Got my glass, everything ready. We're using 1.5 shot of Grey Goose. Here we go. Then we use like a 3/4 of shot of triple sec. Triple sec es algo como un licor cítrico que combina muy bien con estas bebidas. Ahora ya tenemos aquí el triple sec, el Grey Goose. Vamos a agregarle, como lo puse aquí, un toque de bar syrup. Es azúcar, el azúcar. If you guys can get it, I mean, you can buy it, you can make it home. It's easy, it's just as simple. Half water and half sugar. That's all you need. Let it boil, let it sit, and rock and roll. Okay, just a touch, okay? Here we go. Beautiful. And then the best part, the lemon. Always the fresh lemon makes the big difference. Okay, guys? Miren, aquí tenemos nuestros limones from Caputos. We use about 1 shot, okay? 1 shot of lemon juice. That's all we need. Ready? Aquí lo tenemos todo. Getting ready. We gotta shake it, okay?
Shaken, not stirred.
Macarena. Ready? Usually, some people like with sugar on the rim of your glass, and some people, they don't like it because you already got the sugar right here, okay guys? Así es que, it depends on you guys. Si quieren un poquito de azúcar or no, it's up to you, but it's already here, don't worry. And I'm gonna put a little bit of sugar in this one. Rock and roll. Okay guys, our glasses are ready. Yummy. Now we garnish with a lemon peel. Okay, be careful, don't cut yourself. Get always your cutter. Put it like this. Make a twist. Let it go. Okay. We do the same with the second glass. Así es que amigos, sígansela pasando tranquilos. I know it's a hard time right now with this quarantena. Stay safe, stay home. Many blessings to everyone. And cheers, salud.